His wife had it restored for him secretly, and she surprised him with restoring his car, for his 40th birthday. So he's had it since he was mid-20s. It's pretty cool, pretty good of his wife. Got an old Corvette, it's a C1. Yeah, starting to learn more about Corvettes now that I got my dad's Corvette. It's a cool photo. Man, this would be cool to come out with the old, like one of those vintage cameras and take photos of these cars. Yeah. But I always got to check out the Cadillac. Yeah. 2060. An Alfa Dino car. Yes, sir. You guys don't know about this. I know you guys don't know about this. Not a lot of people know about this. It's a Volkswagen R32 Golf. Not many people know about this car. This thing is awesome right here. Awesome, awesome, awesome. VR6, all-wheel drive. That's a mean machine right there, baby.